Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox and the exact place you want to capture. This reduces load and avoids interruptions. Once the game is running, make sure to close other heavy apps so your recording stays smooth and low latency. Next, decide full screen versus windowed. Choose what keeps your HUD visible the way you want. Also, toggle Do Not Disturb on your system. This prevents pop-ups. Now you have the session ready, and your system optimized for recording without wasted steps. You pick a recorder next. Xbox Game Bar for one-click, OBS for advanced control, or a built-in tool if available. Once selected, configure resolution to match your display and set frame rate to 30 or 60 FPS depending on smoothness needs. Then choose audio, enable game audio and your microphone, and disable unwanted system sounds. Make sure capture mode is set to the game window or display capture so overlays record properly. After that, you press the recorder hotkey and begin playing while keeping an eye on a short span to confirm capture quality. Once finished, stop and save the file with a clear name and location so you can edit later. Make sure audio and video are in sync by watching the first 10 seconds. If you see stutter, drop resolution or FPS, update your graphics drivers, or switch to windowed mode. These fixes often resolve dropped frames and audio desync. Finally, back up the raw clip before editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.